Washing your face seems like the most simplest thing to do when it comes to skincare, but it's actually not, because a lot of things can actually go wrong. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about face cleansing. So if you want to have that smooth, spotless, glowing face, then you need to keep on watching, because I'm going to be showing you how to wash your face properly, various mistakes you've been making while washing your face, how to pick the right cleanser for your face, and the best skincare products to use for your face. So let's jump right into it. So a lot of people actually think they were born with certain skin concerns like facial acne. But what they don't know is that some of the skin concerns can be caused by incorrect cleansing. So when you're not washing your face properly or cleansing wrongly, you might just be experiencing all those pimples, acne breakouts on your face. So the whole point of face cleansing or washing your face is to actually remove any form of dirt, oils, makeup, dead skin cells and bacteria that has been accumulated on your skin, to also prepare your skin to be able to receive other skincare treatments or products like your serums and moisturizers. So cleansing your skin the right way is actually going to give you that beautiful glowing skin. But if you end up doing it the wrong way, you might just end up with acne breakouts, and you don't want that. So that is why I've gone ahead to put together a step-by-step face cleansing routine just to show you how to wash your face properly. So you need to follow these steps in order to be able to cleanse your face and achieve that smooth, healthy, glowing face. Because face cleansing is actually the basic skincare for beginners. So you need to know how to properly cleanse your skin if you want to have that beautiful, healthy, glowing skin. So if you're not cleansing your skin the right way, you might just end up not achieving that healthy glow effect on your skin. So in order to wash your face properly, you need to observe the following steps. So the first step is to get your hair off your face. Like before you start to wash your face, you need to pack your hair, get it away from your face. Like there shouldn't be anything distracting you. So immediately after getting your hair off the way, the next step is to wash your hands. Like this is the most common mistake a lot of people make when it comes to face cleansing. Like it makes no sense using dirty hands to get your face clean. Like your hand, it might be easily contaminated by germs and bacteria, so you need to wash your hands first before using them to wash your face. It's actually going to save you from a lot of skincare concerns and issues. So always make sure your hands are clean before you venture into washing your face. So the third step you need to follow immediately after washing your hands is to remove your makeup. That's if you're the type that wears makeup. So if you're the type that wear makeup, and if you're also the type that wears sunscreen, especially sunscreens that contain silicone, you want to actually adopt double cleansing your face, because all your makeup products are not going to completely come off by using a face wash. So that is why you need to cleanse your face twice. So when it comes to double cleansing your face, you want to use your oil-based cleanser first before going in with your water-based cleanser. That way you'll be completely removing your stubborn makeup, sunscreen, unclogging your pores, and getting rid of any other impurities on your skin. So when doing your first cleanse, you don't need to wet your face. You need to get an oil-based cleanser. Like there are a lot of good oil-based cleansers out there in the market, but personally I prefer to use natural oils in order to save cost. But if you cannot afford to get any oil-based cleanser, you can also use natural oils like your olive oil, your sunflower oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, or any other oil of your choice. So for me, I love to use my Vaseline petroleum jelly or my clear nature oil on days I wear makeup. So I'll actually be showing you guys a demo of how I do that. So what I do is I wash my hands, use my hands to take some amount of the Vaseline petroleum jelly and then apply it to my face. Like I massage it all over my face. Like within few seconds, it will just totally dissolve off my makeup. So once my makeup dissolves, the next thing I do is to just take out a paper and clean off the excess oil, or I will just basically go in to wet my face with lukewarm water in order to remove the makeup. So another easiest way to take out your makeup is using micellar water. So you can basically add some drops of your micellar water into a cotton pad and use it to wipe your makeup. But for me, I feel like that's a lot of stress. So what I do is just to take my natural oil or use my Vaseline petroleum jelly to apply directly on my face to dissolve off my makeup and then go on to the next step. So the next step you want to take when it comes to washing your face properly is to cleanse. So this is actually the main or major step when it comes to face cleansing. Like when cleansing your face, there are a lot of things you need to note. Like if you're cleansing your face, you need to use lukewarm water or cool water to cleanse your face. Like you don't want to use hot water to cleanse your skin because it's actually going to strip your skin of its natural oils and give your skin that drying effect. So you want to use lukewarm water or cool water to wash your skin. And another thing you need to note is to avoid using bar soaps to cleanse your face because some bar soaps have higher pH level. So that is why I don't advise you using a bar soap to cleanse your face because some bar soaps are very acidic. So the skin on your face is actually more sensitive and tender compared to the skin on your body. So that is why you might be able to get away with using those bar soaps on your body. But when you use it on your face, you will just find out that some of them could be aggressive or drying on your face. But if you must use a bar soap to cleanse your face, you want to opt in for moisturizing bar soaps like the Dove bar soap, Cetaphil bar soap. Like these two soaps is actually very suitable for people with normal skin and sensitive skin type. Like you can actually use this as a face cleanser. Investing in a good face cleanser is actually going to save you from a whole lot of skin issues. You want to opt in for gentle cleansers that are sulfate free because face cleansers are more gentle on the skin and they are perfect to use on your face. So when picking a face cleanser, you need to consider your skin type and skin concerns. So if you're someone with an acne prone skin, you want to reach out for face cleansers that contains benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid as its active ingredients. So it's actually going to help not only cleanse your face but also tackle your acne. So if you're someone with an oily skin, you want to opt in for foaming cleansers. Whereas if you have a dry skin, you want to opt in for hydrating cleansers. So I actually have a video on the best face cleansers you can use for your skin type and how to pick the right cleanser for your skin. So I'm going to link the video up here and also in the description box so that you can check that out. So after you must have picked the right cleanser for your skin, the next step is to wash your face. You want to wet your face first with water. Take a pea-sized amount of your foaming cleanser, lather or make your cleanser into a foam in your palm, then apply the foam directly to your face. Use your fingertips to massage in your cleanser into your skin. So the mistake a lot of people tend to make is to apply their cleanser directly on their face. Equally use their palm to rub their face. Like you don't need much pressure on your facial skin because this can actually damage your skin or cause you wrinkles and acne breakouts on the skin. You want to gently use your fingertips to massage your cleanser into your face for at least 60 seconds. You just need to be very gentle when massaging your cleanser into your face. And once you're done, you want to go ahead to rinse off your face. So once you're done rinsing your face, the next step is to dry your face. So this time you want to use a clean face towel, preferably a paper towel, to pat or dry your face. So you want to avoid rubbing your face with your towel. Just make sure you dab the towel to your face instead of rubbing. So once you're done dabbing your face dry, you want to move on to the next skincare routine, which is to tone your face. So toning your face will help to balance your pH level, get rid of any other remaining impurities on your skin, and get your skin ready to absorb any other skincare products or treatments you put on your skin. So once you're done applying your toner, you can go ahead to apply your face serums and moisturizers, and then follow it up with a sunscreen. So when it comes to face cleansing, you want to make sure you're cleansing your face twice daily. So you can choose to cleanse your face immediately you're done having your bath. That way you can have ample time to apply your skincare products to your skin. So these are the major step if you want to have that healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. Because if you are not cleansing your face properly, like other skincare products will not penetrate into your skin. Like when you don't get rid of the oils, dirt, makeup, and other products on your face properly, and then you come to apply new skincare products on top of those dirt, of course it's not going to give you the results you want. So you need to be able to cleanse your skin first in order to achieve that healthy, glowing skin. So that is basically it of face cleansing, or how to wash your face properly. So yeah, for the giveaway, so yeah, I want to thank each and every one of you that participated in this giveaway. Like, I wish I can actually offer free consultation for everyone. So maybe I might just decide to be picking one active subscriber every month, so there can only be 3 winners. So yeah, the giveaway winners are Spence Juliet, Zara, and Nkiru Deborah. So if you're among these 3 people, just send me a message on Instagram at @NiniBeauty_. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.